Bye.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of OT Update. Today we're going to show you a little device that converts standard wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay. We are in a 2021 Toyota CHR Limited that comes with standard wired CarPlay. This is a game changer because you walk up to your car, it unlocks with wireless entry, you hop in, you start the car with push to start, and boom, you have CarPlay loaded on your dash. No keys to fiddle with, no plug it in your phone, no need to tap on any options on the screen, and most importantly, your phone stays in your pocket. That's the dream. It does go through a few screens to connect to the Bluetooth on your phone, but it will get to the home screen without any intervention. Let's head over to my studio to give you a quick unboxing. I picked up this device from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll leave links in the description below. It comes in a small brown box. Let's make sure things are sanitized. Open it up, and here it is. The device comes in both black and white. I did order the white version, despite the black product image on the box. It also comes with instructions, which also doesn't have the exact same product, but that's a-okay. Let's pop it open, and first we have the instruction manual. Yes, it's in English. And the device itself. And finally, we have a regular USB-A to USB-C cable to connect the device to your car. That note that fell earlier was a QC pass note, so it's good to know that the QC has passed. And this is everything that you get in the box. The device is pretty straightforward. On the front, you have a logo and an LED status indicator. On the bottom, you have a USB-A port, and on the top, you have a USB-C port. It does come with a short cable, but a short length does help to reduce clutter, as you always have this device plugged into your center console. Now let's jump back outside and let me show you how this is set up. Plug the device into your USB port below your center screen. The CarPlay button should then appear on your main dashboard. Go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and connect to the Bluetooth name shown on screen. If you're wondering, yes, you can have multiple phones saved with this adapter, which is great if you share your car with you and your family. Now let's go over the performance. Swiping around the menus is fluid and as you expect it. You won't be able to tell the difference between the wired or wireless CarPlay experience with this adapter. Tapping around in the Spotify app, finding and selecting a song is quick with immediate playback. The icon on the bottom left hand corner will also serve as your home button and will get you back to the main dashboard. An important part of CarPlay is navigation, and searching for locations within Apple and Google Maps works well. It works just like it should by voice, keyboard, or category with no lag. Looking for the nearest coffee shop is quick and largely resembles the experience on your phone. And with a tap begins the route to your destination. The route will also appear on your main dashboard alongside with media playback information all at one glance. Now the fluidity of the menu works well here on this vehicle, but may differ depending on your specific trim, model year, and manufacturer, as display responsiveness can vary. I know some of you are curious, and yes, Google Maps works just as well here. Here's a quick demo searching with the on-screen keyboard and routing to the CN Tower in Toronto. Quick and easy. Siri is also available on screen. You can activate Siri by saying, or by holding down the button on the bottom left-hand corner.
How's the weather today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 18 degrees.
Siri will appear and you can ask it for things like weather and navigation, all the usual stuff you're used to with Siri. So after using it for about 2 years, what's my verdict? The good? It runs flawlessly and you forget the adapter was even connected to your dash, which is really the dream. An added bonus of wireless CarPlay means you don't have to ruin your phone battery by plugging and unplugging your phone every time you get in and out of the car. The bad? The adapter does take a minute to load from starting your car before it gets into the CarPlay interface. At least there's no intervention needed, so you don't have to tap through menus to get to CarPlay. Now, the unit I tested here is Carlinkit 2.0. To give you a full picture of the Carlinkit lineup, there's a 3.0 as well as a 4.0. The next level up is Carlinkit 3.0 and it's largely the same experience. It brings you a minor 5-second startup speed improvement and a few additional customizable launch screen options via the on-screen menu. It also has faster Wi-Fi speeds for a better connection. However, with my experience, the 2.0 has been great without any issues. Carlinkit 4.0 brings you a new look and is compatible with Android phones for Android Auto. Now, Carlinkit 2.0 is the cheapest in the lineup, but if you want to check out Carlinkit 3.0 or 4.0, I have included links in the description below. And finally, a special shout out for my co-star today. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to OTA. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode of OT Update.